This is MiaTech UG. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we use the new feature of video note in your WhatsApp. So let's begin. Open your WhatsApp, then locate someone whom you want to send a video note. Locate someone to send a video note. After locating this someone here, you will get this screen. On this screen, at the bottom, on your right hand side, there is a microphone icon. Tap it once. When you tap it once, it changes to a video icon. Now hold down this video icon, and when you hold it, it will take you to the camera. It will automatically open your camera. Let's tap it. So it automatically opens up your camera. Here it records for maximum 1 minute, and then it stops automatically. If you want to capture using the behind camera, then on your left hand side of your screen, tap that icon you see, which I'm trying to show around here. So tap it. When you tap it, you can see it has changed. It is now the behind camera trying to capture. So if you want to turn and again capture yourself, tap that very icon. So you can see it has again changed to the front camera. Guys, that's how you record a video note, and then after recording, you release this video icon. When you release it, you will see it uploading automatically, just like audio notes do. I think you can see it's moving, uploading. So if you liked this video, please put your comment in the comment section.